Hey you guys, welcome back. So I am in Dollar Tree. Of course, I needed to come and see what we can find for today. The first thing I see are these highlighters. I'm over in the stationery aisle. I just kind of came over here first. These are chisel tip highlighters. Those are nice. The Jot brand. Still got a bunch of the jumbo paper clips. You get 3 of them in there. They got a bunch of them. And then over here I see some new magnetic list pads. It has the polka dots at the top. At the bottom it says enjoy the little things. Then I see this one. This one is so cute. It says be kind, and then look at the bottom. I like that one. This one just has a little print in the background. And then this one is really pretty. Look at that, dream big. And then it has the crystals at the bottom. Oh, it's spring, so they got the 3D butterflies back out. Look at those. These are always really pretty. And then they got the pink, they got green. There's blue back there, and there are different kinds of butterflies. Oh, they even have yellow. I like the purple ones, of course. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, so is it me, or does the planner stickers look the same sometimes? I can tell these are new just because of like the colors, but I swear they throw me off every now and then. These are cute. I like those coffee cups, but I like this one right here. Oh, I like that one. Look at that. Okay, those are really, really cute. I like these. I think I might get this one. It says coffee first, I'm busy, get it done, girls night. Those are adorable. I might get those. And then I see this one. Pretty pastel colors. And you guys, please excuse my fingernail. I caught myself painting my nails. And you know, I ran out of the house before they were completely dry. And as soon as I got in the car, I smudged it. And then I see this one. And the back looks like that. So this one is a birthday set. Those are cute. Okay, but out of all of these, I do think I want this one right here. Oh, look at this phone pouch. That's cute. Look at that. These, it says, fits most larger phones such as an iPhone 8 Plus and Samsung. And let's see. Oh, I like that. I might get one just to get it. Oh, that's cute. I see that. And then, of course, they always have like the USB chargers. This one is more like a marble print. I see it in purple, pink, and blue right there. And then they got these audio cables. That's really pretty. Look at that. So you got the pinks. Look at that pretty color. And I see this pearl color. It's more shiny in person than it is through the camera. And then they even have these over here that have the marble print to it. Kind of fashionable. Look at that, green. And then it also has the black marble. Here is a stylus flashlight. So you can put this on your keys, and it's a stylus down here, and it also is a flashlight button. That's pretty cool. And they brought back the phone holders. Look at that. I remember when these came out, I think 2 years ago. They look like that. So they hold your phone, and you can lean it on a table. I see blue and white and red. Okay, over here I see a few new wall stickers. I see this one. I think that is really pretty. Let me see. Can you see that right there? So that's what this one would look like. That's really, really cute. Wild Beauty. That's pretty. I saw that one before with the cactus. This one is new to me. And so it would look like this. She has the little tassels and everything. And it's on the back. And I think I just saw another one. Oh, up here. It says narwhals. And it would look like this. I love you more than all the narwhals in the sea. That's what it says. So right here, and then the back has the rest of it. And then right here they bring back the magnetic mirrors, and these are pretty much like for lockers, so they stick like that. And let's see, I see pink, they got blue and green back there. I spotted this, and I'm not sure, I only see two, but I'm not sure if they just sold out. But it's the Hanuzuki little toys that they usually get, but I've never seen the little plush characters like this. And so I see that one, and then I see this one, and they have the hook thing on them so you can hang them on stuff. But like I said, I only see these two, and I was looking around, but I don't see any more. Okay, look at these glasses. How interesting is that? I've never seen these, and these are by ePure, and I only see these two pink ones, but these are nice. And the top just pops on and off like that, so it just pops right back on. I like those. Oh, how cute are these little pacifier cases? Oh, I like those. And they got them in the blue as well. They got all kinds of little Sesame Street toys and teeth and rings, and they even have a little brush set. Over here in the kitchen section, they got these cute burner covers. Home is where our family gathers, and you get two of them in here. You get a smaller one and a large one. They've been had that one right there, but I haven't seen this one. And then I see up here, our nest is best. So then I see, and then I saw this one back here, which I thought was super cute. Wake up and smell the coffee. So like I said, you get two of them in there. You get an 8-inch and a 10-inch in each pack. I also see this pot holder set, and this is super cute. You only get one. Well, do you get one? No, you get two. This one is just separated, but home is where the heart is, so it looks like that. And then they also have the matching towel right here. And then I also see this one that says it's so good to be home. That's really pretty. Oh, look at this backsplash. Let's see. They have 4 different ones. Home is where our family gathers. And then you have the other two, but this one right here has like the coffee. You can see the cup right there. And so that's what it would look like. That would be a cute backsplash. Look over here, they got all the cute marble kitchenware. Look at that. Everything has like the marble print on here. Some of it has, you know, more marbling than others, like that one, but it's black and white, and they match the plates that they have. So I see those spatulas, the spoons, this kind, and they're all marble. And then they got the other kinds of spoons and stuff down here. And then look at these, some bamboo cutting boards. That's pretty cool. Do I need one of these? I'm thinking if I want to get one. I'm not sure at this very moment. And then they brought back the chopper scrapers. So those are here. And then I just see measuring cups, really large measuring cups. And strainers and pans. And they still have the marble bowls, just like the utensils over there. And they still got the marble plates right here. Look at these. These are pretty. I've never seen these before. Oh, those are really nice. And those are just plates. They're not as big as a charger. The chargers are right here. So let's just see. So this is a charger. I'm gonna set that down there. And this would be a regular size plate. Those are pretty. Oh, look, they got back the cutting boards with the knife over here. This one is shaped like a strawberry, so you get the cutting board. This one is a lemon. And then they have the apple. I like the apple. So I just popped into the refrigerator. Look at this by Snaps. It's a ham and Swiss croissant. That looks interesting. A light flaky butter croissant wrapped around ham and real Swiss cheese. Oh, look how cute are these popsicle chalks for summer. I'm sure that'll just break right off, but just the whole little look of them is cute. Over here by the pictures, I see some like Spanish themed art or wall art. That's cute. They got all kinds. Look at that one with the cactus and it says Amor. And they got that one with the piñata or the little donkey on it. That is super cute. That one. So they got all kinds of different stuff. Whoa. Oh, she's pretty. I've seen that one before. With that one, Mi Casa es Su Casa. I like that. And that's the one I see right there. And then they do have some more art like this. Look at her with her skates on. But I'm not gonna go through all of them because I always do. And I see most of the same ones, but I haven't seen that one before. And then here's one that says Donut Kill My Vibe. I've never seen that on a picture frame. Okay, up here by the register, look at this. They got a K-Nex Family Guy. I think this is a blind bag. Why am I tempted to get this, hoping that I can get him? I can't feel it, but it looks like they sold all out because the whole strip is empty and I only see these two. I don't know, I think I'm gonna get them. I like Family Guy. Okay, you guys, well that's it for today. I thank you guys for coming with me. I hope you saw something that you might want to go and get. Oh, they still got the Mr. Brownies. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you had a good weekend and I'll talk to you all later. Bye. Limited edition tropical smoothie cookies, cream cookies. Lord knows I don't need any of these.